We're here today to discuss RAT performance. There's a few questions that people often ask about rapid antigen tests. In this video, Shannon and I will answer 3 of the most commonly asked questions. There are a few terms out there being used to measure RAT performance. What is the difference between specificity, sensitivity, and accuracy?
Great question. Sensitivity is the percentage of positive cases that the rat can detect. So if you have a rat that has 98% sensitivity, it will pick up 98 cases out of every 100 positive cases you test. The specificity rate measures the other potential results, showing the percentage of negative readings that the rat returns correctly. Accuracy, also called the overall agreement, measures the correct percentage of both negative and positive cases. It provides a general overview number, but like other general overview numbers, it can be easily skewed. This is because a typical clinical trial will have a much larger number of COVID negatives than COVID positives. So the negative cases will carry a greater weight than the positive cases and likely skew the overall rating to a higher percentage. This means it is possible to have a test with high accuracy yet still have average sensitivity ratings. This is one of the reasons why the TGA classifies tests by sensitivity instead of accuracy.
Okay, so what is the TGA's sensitivity categories in relation to rats?
It's good to be aware of what the 3 categories mean. The TGA has brought these categories in because the tests aren't all equal. The higher the sensitivity, the less chance that a positive case could be missed. So your best category is very high sensitivity, meaning the rat will correctly identify 95% or more of positive cases. The second is high sensitivity, which includes rats that will pick up to 91 to 95% of positive cases. And the third is acceptable sensitivity, which covers rats that will pick up between 81% and 90% of positive cases.
What about the limit of detection number? What does that refer to?
Okay, so the limit of detection is another important number because it measures the minimum amount of virus that the test needs to detect a positive case. In the very early stages of an infection, if the amount of COVID in your sample is less than the limit of detection, then the rat can miss the case. That means the lower the LOD, the better. As you can see on the screen, there's not much time between having enough of the virus in your system to be detected and becoming infectious. So using a rat with a low LOD is the key to catching cases before they spread.
That's very interesting. Now here's an example for you, Shannon. Which of the 2 rats shown on the screen would be the better option?
Good question. So both rats have similar accuracies, LODs, and specificity ratings. So you could mistake them as very similar. However, if you look at the sensitivity rating, you can straight away see a difference. Rat A far outperforms Rat B. Rat B will miss approximately 14 cases out of every 100 cases tested, creating an increased transmission risk. If I had to choose, I'd pick Rat A.
Thanks for that, Shannon. So to sum up, if you need to compare rapid antigen tests on the market, you should aim for a high sensitivity percentage and a low LOD rating. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you want to receive more insights on infection control and hygiene, subscribe to us on the link below.